Hello and welcome to the Learning English Show. I'm Anna, and I am so excited to be here with you today.
And I'm John. Anna, I have to ask you something. What's your absolute favorite thing to order when you go to a cafe?
Oh, that's such a great question. I'm completely obsessed with iced lattes, especially in the summer. I get a large iced latte with oat milk almost every single day. What about you, John?
I'm much simpler than you, Anna. Just give me a medium hot coffee with regular milk and I'm happy. But you know what? Before we dive into today's lesson, I want to remind all our amazing listeners, if you're enjoying the Learning English show, please hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss an episode.
Yes, absolutely. And speaking of ordering at cafes, that's exactly what we're going to teach you today. By the end of this episode, you will have the complete confidence to walk into any cafe and order exactly what you want in English, just like John and I do every day.
Perfect. Let's start with the foundation of ordering, the two most important phrases you need to know. The first one is, can I have? This is super polite and very natural. Let me give you an example. Can I have a coffee, please? Now, I want you to repeat after me. Can I have a coffee, please?
Can I have a tea, please?
Can I have a muffin, please?
Wonderful. The second essential phrase is I would like, but we usually make this shorter and say I'd like. This is also very polite and commonly used. For example, I'd like a sandwich, please. Now you try. I'd like a sandwich, please.
I'd like a croissant, please.
I'd like a bagel, please.
You're doing amazing! Now that you know the basic phrases, let's learn how to customize your drinks with specific details.
Great idea, John. First, let's talk about sizes. Most American cafes have three sizes: small, medium, and large. Let's practice saying each one clearly. Repeat after me. Small, medium, large,
Hot, iced,
regular milk, oat milk, almond milk, soy milk.
Now comes the fun part, putting it all together. The order is size, temperature, drink, then milk type. For example, can I have a large iced latte with oat milk, please? Let's practice this complete sentence. Can I have a large iced latte with oat milk, please?
I'd like a small hot coffee with almond milk, please.
Can I have a medium iced tea, please?
You're doing so well. Now let's talk about something very important in American cafes: payment and tipping culture.
Yes, this is crucial information. First, let's learn how to tell them your payment method. You can say, I'll pay with a card, or I'll pay with cash. Let's practice both. Repeat after me. I'll pay with a card. I'll pay with cash.
Now, here's something very specific to American culture: tipping.
When you pay with a card, the payment screen will often show tip options like 15%, 20%, 25%, and no tip. It's completely acceptable to choose no tip if you don't want to leave a tip.
Exactly, Anna. And if the barista asks you directly, would you like to leave a tip? You can simply and politely say, no, thank you. Let's practice this phrase. Repeat after me. No, thank you.
Perfect. Remember, there's no pressure to tip, and it's always okay to choose the option that feels right for you.
Now let's learn how to answer some common questions that baristas will ask you. The most frequent question is, for here or to go? For here means you want to sit in the cafe, and to go means you're taking your order to leave. Let's practice both answers. For here, please. To go, please.
Another common question is, what's your name for the order? They ask this so they can call your name when your drink is ready. You can simply say, it's, followed by your name. For example, it's Anna. Practice with your own name now.
Great! Now I think we're ready for the fun part. Let's practice with some realistic role-play scenarios. I'll be the barista first, and Anna will be the customer. Good morning. What can I get started for you today?
Hi, can I have a large iced coffee with oat milk, please?
Absolutely. Anything else for you?
Yes, I'd also like a blueberry muffin, please.
Perfect. For here or to go?
To go, please.
Great. And what's your name for the order?
It's Anna.
Perfect, Anna. Your total is $8.50. How would you like to pay?
I'll pay with a card, and when the tip screen comes up, I'll select no tip. Thank you.
Excellent. Let's do one more scenario where something isn't available. Anna, you're the barista this time, and I'm the customer.
Hi there. What can I get for you?
Hi, I'd like a medium hot chocolate with almond milk, please.
I'm so sorry, but we're actually out of almond milk today. We do have oat milk or soy milk. Would either of those work for you?
Oh, okay. Can I have it with oat milk instead, please?
Absolutely. One medium hot chocolate with oat milk coming up.
Perfect. Now let's do a quick review of all the key phrases we learned today. Listen and repeat each one. Can I have, please?
I'd like, please.
A large iced coffee with oat milk.
For here, please.
To go, please.
I'll pay with a card.
No, thank you.
You have done such incredible work today. I know that ordering at a cafe can feel intimidating, but now you have all the tools you need to do it with confidence. Remember, the more you practice these phrases, the more natural they will become.
That's exactly right, Anna. And remember, cafe workers are usually very friendly and patient, especially if they can see you're learning English. Don't worry about being perfect. Just be confident and polite, and you'll do great.
Thank you so much for joining us on the Learning English show today. We hope this lesson gives you the confidence to enjoy cafes wherever your English journey takes you. Until next time, keep practicing and keep learning.
And don't forget to like this episode, save it for later, and subscribe to the Learning English show for more helpful lessons.